In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cool presentation with PowerPoint. Open your browser and search for PowerPoint, then head to the official site or open the app on your device. If you're using the web version, sign in with your account so your work syncs and saves properly. Once you're on the PowerPoint home screen, choose Create Blank Presentation to start fresh with a clean canvas. You're now in the editing area. Let's set the tone with a custom background. Right-click anywhere on the slide background and choose the background formatting panel. Make sure solid fill is expanded, then pick a color you like from the palette. You'll see the slide update instantly, which is a great way to establish your theme early. If you're unsure, choose a subtle color that keeps text readable. Next, let's bring in an image. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, then choose this device. Browse your files, select a photo, and click Open. To resize, click the image and drag the corner handles to make it larger or smaller while keeping the proportions. Place it where it best supports your message without crowding the title area. If you see design suggestions on the right side, that's PowerPoint offering ready-made layouts. Scroll through the options and click a design you like to apply it instantly. This can polish your slide in seconds, especially when working with images and titles. Now update your title. Click the title placeholder, type your text, and then select it to style it. Use the font drop-down to pick a typeface that matches your tone. Clean and modern fonts are usually best for presentations. Use the font size drop-down arrow to adjust the size and use the font color menu to choose a color that contrasts well with your background. If the text feels hard to read, increase the size or pick a higher contrast color. To add another slide, go back to the Insert tab and click New Slide. This creates a second page for your content. On this slide, you can insert whatever you need: a text box for key points, a table for data, more pictures, a cameo if you want a camera feed, video or audio files, shapes for callouts, stock images and icons for visuals, smart art for diagrams, or charts for numbers. Just click the item you want to add and position it thoughtfully. Finally, add some movement between slides. Go to the Transitions tab and select a transition effect you like. Keep it simple so the focus stays on your content. That's it. Your cool, polished PowerPoint is ready to build out.